This is the elevator at the Islip Public Library in Islip, New York. Oh, very cool buttons. Get my pictures after. Beautiful cab. Take a look at this. Montgomery. Listen to the motor. I love this panel right here. I love these buttons too. Geez, that was the stuff. This thing moves. I mean, it does travel like half levels. Oh, and I gotta see that movement again. Because it does work. I really like these buttons. So good though. Parkline cab. Damn, I love this thing. Inspection certificate's gone. Actually. Well, now I know Islip maintains this. Place that back. Let's see what this does down here. Levels up a little bit. Such a cool button right here. Door center works. Alright, we'll go to the main floor now. I wonder what kind of fixtures these are. There it goes. And that's it. I'm gonna get the call button right here too. Beautiful. Alright, that's it.